Alright, tubers, I said I was going to show you the tires I got for the truck. They're pretty decent. They're actually nice. Just flip that around. As you can see, Master Craft. And then that, and of course they're my size, the 255/70/16. And as you can see, every single one has very good thread. They're like new. Where's that little thing that I always look at? Yeah, see? It's like they're like brand new. Like brand spanking new. Got them for like $200, and man, they're just great. They'd be nice on the truck. Real nice. Real nice indeed, as you can see. Nice and aggressive. And then they have those side thing where you can grip in the mud and stuff, so won't get stuck, and you know, once I had the money to put them on, I'll put them on, and man, that's just great. Only reason I say that, because I gotta check the alignment on the truck and stuff before I put them on, because since they're so in good shape, don't want to ruin them, you know. So, you know, want to keep them good, and you know, from there, and then I'm going to probably put this tire. This tire is a 45 one, but I'm probably going to put this tire or one of the 55s or one of those other ones. Maybe I'll put one of those other ones on the truck to match it up, since they're both like all-terrain tires. This is a regular tire. May just keep that, may not, I'm not sure. You know, Firestones you always can find, so that's no problem. But I may put one of the ones in the, see, you can zoom in there, one of those tires in front, the ones, one of those destinations. Can we zoom in and see it? Yeah, see the Firestone destinations? Oops, we're bouncing over the place. But I may put one of those Firestone destinations on there, and yep, and then hopefully the Explorer we can keep. And then what I'm planning to do is see how good these tires are. Still pretty good. Where's that line they always look for? Is that it? No. Where is it? Where the fuck is it? Maybe that is it. No. Huh. It's over here. Okay. Right there. I mean, they're pretty good, you know. I'm probably gonna see what they have for this, you know. They're good right now, but you know, just want to go you know, from there. But basically you can put on your Explorer, you can put 255/70/16s on. You could put the 245, I'll show you. See 245/70/16, or you can put the 235/70/16 on your sports track. So either way, they both work. Doesn't really matter. You know. So I guess that's it, tubers. It's almost like 5 minutes of this video, and you know, I guess that's it. So I'll see you in the next, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and please comment on this video. Alright, see you, tubers.